Hey everyone, ready to unlock like a hidden superpower, one that can make you 10x more productive at work.
Sounds pretty good to me. What
Yeah.
is it?
Well, today we're diving deep into the world of AI for business.
Ooh, AI.
But hold on, before you picture robots like taking over your job, let's clarify.
Yeah.
We're talking about practical AI tools
Mm-hmm.
that you can use right now
Okay.
to make your work life easier
Yeah.
and, dare I say, a lot more fun.
Okay. I like where this is going.
Yeah.
So these AI tools,
Yes.
what can they actually do for us?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
Our deep dive today
Yeah.
focuses on a specific formula
Okay.
for crafting AI prompts. Think of it like a secret recipe
Yeah.
for getting exactly what you need from these incredible tools.
That's right. And the beauty of it is you don't need to be a tech genius to tap into this power.
No, you don't.
Like anybody can do this.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
secret recipe like that.
Tell me more.
Why is this prompt engineering thing
Yeah.
such a game changer in the business world?
Yeah, spill the beans.
Well, it's all about efficiency and quality.
Okay.
Imagine just offloading tasks.
Yeah.
Like brainstorming marketing campaigns or writing job descriptions to AI.
Wow.
That's a huge chunk of time saved.
Yeah, that's true.
And the output can be incredibly high quality because AI can process information and generate ideas
Yeah.
at a scale we humans simply can't match.
That's seriously impressive.
Yeah.
But our source material emphasizes
Wow.
that the way you talk to AI matters. It's not just about asking any old question, right?
Exactly. It's like having a brilliant
Okay.
but very literal-minded assistant.
Mm.
You need to be crystal clear in your instructions to get the results you want.
I see.
That's where this prompt formula comes in.
Okay.
It's like giving your AI assistant a detailed roadmap
Yeah.
to success.
Okay, I'm hooked.
All right.
Let's break down this formula.
Okay, let's do it.
Step 1 is define the task,
Right.
which sounds straightforward enough, but
Yeah.
what's the secret sauce here?
The key is laser focus.
Okay.
Don't just tell the AI to write a marketing campaign.
Right.
Be specific about what you want it to do.
Okay.
For example,
Mm-hmm.
generate creative ideas for a social media campaign to engage our target audience of young adults interested in sustainable fashion.
So it's all about being action-oriented
Yeah.
and giving the AI a clear objective.
That's it.
Got it.
Got it.
Step 2
Okay.
is provide context.
Mm-hmm.
Why is this so important?
Context is crucial because it helps the AI understand your unique needs and goals.
Uh-huh.
Think of it like giving the AI a crash course on your business,
Oh, okay.
their target audience, and what you're trying to achieve.
So if I were a small business owner selling handmade jewelry,
Okay.
I'd tell the AI something like,
Uh-huh.
my business creates unique, handcrafted jewelry using ethically sourced materials, and our target audience values individuality and sustainability.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
gives the AI the background information it needs to generate outputs that are relevant and tailored to your specific situation.
Okay, on to step 3.
Yeah.
Include examples.
Mm-hmm.
This is where we get to show the AI what we're looking for, right?
You got to think of examples as a style guide for your AI assistant. By providing concrete examples of what you like,
Okay.
you're giving the AI a template to work with.
I see.
For instance, if you're looking for social media content ideas,
Okay.
you could say,
Yeah.
I like posts that feature stunning visuals of the jewelry, highlight the stories behind the pieces, and use a warm, inviting tone.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's like giving the AI a mood board for inspiration.
Uh-huh.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting.
Okay.
Step 4,
All right.
set the persona.
Ooh.
Tell me more about this.
This is where you get to play director.
Okay.
Imagine you're casting an AI actor
Mm-hmm.
to play the perfect role for your task.
Mm.
Do you need a witty marketer, a data-driven analyst, or a compassionate customer service rep?
Ooh, I like that analogy.
Yeah.
So if I want my social media posts to sound like they're coming from a knowledgeable and passionate artisan,
Okay.
I could tell the AI.
Yes.
Imagine you are the founder of this jewelry business talking directly to potential customers who share your passion for handcrafted sustainable goods.
Precisely. You're setting the stage for the AI to adopt a specific voice and perspective that aligns perfectly with your brand.
Okay, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
Now on to step 5, specify the format.
Mm.
This seems pretty self-explanatory.
It is, but it's also crucial.
Okay.
Be clear about how you want the AI to structure its output.
Hmm.
Do you want to list bullet points, a paragraph, a script, or maybe even a poem.
Wow.
The more specific you are,
Yeah.
the easier it will be to digest the information the AI generates.
So for my social media content, I
Yeah.
might say, give me 5 Instagram caption ideas, each with a captivating hook, a brief description of the featured jewelry piece, and relevant hashtags.
Perfect. And finally, step 6
Okay.
is choose the tone.
Uh-huh.
This is where we ensure the AI's output matches our brand voice right.
Exactly. If my brand is all about warmth, authenticity, and connection,
Mm-hmm.
I'd want the AI to adopt a similar tone.
Right. You might instruct the AI to use a tone that's
Okay.
friendly, enthusiastic, and genuine,
Mm.
creating a sense of personal connection with the reader.
Okay. I'm already feeling like a prompt engineering pro.
You're getting it.
But how can our listeners actually start using this formula in their work?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this all sounds great in theory,
Yeah.
but I bet some people are thinking this is too complicated,
Yeah.
or I'm not tech savvy enough for this.
Right.
You know?
That's where it gets even better.
Really?
Our source material actually links to a free AI tool that's specifically designed to work with this 6-step process.
Hold on, a free tool?
Yeah.
That changes everything.
It's incredible, user-friendly, and walks you through each step,
Wow.
making it easy for anyone to generate awesome AI prompts,
Yeah.
even if you've never used AI before.
Now there are officially no more excuses.
Dope.
We're going to dive into this amazing tool in part 2 of this deep dive.
Can't wait.
But first, let's explore some real-world examples of how you can put this formula to work in your own business.
Absolutely. Let's say you're working on a new marketing campaign.
Now you're speaking my language. Let's jump right into that scenario after a quick break.
Sounds good.
All right, we're back and ready to dive into a real-world scenario.
Okay.
You mentioned marketing campaigns.
Yes.
And as a small business owner myself,
Mm-hmm.
that definitely piqued my interest.
Okay.
Let's say I'm trying to come up with a fresh campaign
Okay.
for my handmade jewelry business.
Right.
How could I use this prompt engineering formula to, like, jumpstart my creativity?
That's a fantastic example.
Yeah.
And it's one that many listeners can relate to.
For sure.
So
Yeah.
let's walk through how you could apply the 6-step formula
Okay.
to create a killer campaign brief with the help of AI.
Okay. I'm all ears.
All right.
Let's start with step 1.
Okay.
Define the task.
Uh-huh.
What would that look like in this scenario?
Remember, we need to be laser focused here.
Okay.
Instead of broadly saying create a marketing campaign,
Right.
you could say
Hmm.
generate a creative brief for a social media campaign to promote my new collection of handmade gemstone earrings.
I see. So we're giving the AI a very specific target to aim for.
Yes.
And what about step 2?
Okay.
Provide context.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of background information would be helpful for the AI to know?
This is where you paint a picture for the AI.
Okay.
You could say something like,
Uh-huh.
my business specializes in handcrafted jewelry with a focus on natural gemstones.
Okay.
Our target audience is women aged 25 to 45 who appreciate unique, high-quality pieces that reflect their personal style and values.
I'm already seeing how this helps the AI tailor its output. Right.
To my specific brand and audience.
Exactly.
And what about step 3?
Yeah.
Include examples.
Uh-huh.
What kind of examples could I provide for a campaign brief?
Think about campaigns you've admired in the past,
Okay.
or elements that you'd like to incorporate.
Hmm.
You could say,
Huh.
I love campaigns that tell a story, highlight the craftsmanship behind the jewelry, and evoke a sense of confidence and empowerment.
Okay, so we're giving the AI some inspiration
Yes.
to draw from.
Exactly.
Now, this is the part I'm really curious about.
Okay.
Step 4, set the persona.
Right.
Who would be the perfect AI persona to create this campaign brief?
This is where you get to be creative. Imagine you're hiring a top-notch marketing consultant
Mm-hmm.
to brainstorm this campaign.
Okay.
What kind of personality and expertise would you be looking for?
I'd want someone who understands the handmade jewelry market,
Yeah.
someone with a creative flair,
Uh-huh.
and a knack for connecting with my target audience.
Maybe someone who's passionate about empowering women
Yeah.
through fashion and personal expression.
Perfect. You could instruct the AI to.
Okay.
Imagine you are a marketing consultant specializing in handcrafted jewelry brands that cater to women who value individuality and self-expression.
Wow.
You are passionate about storytelling and creating campaigns that evoke emotion and connection.
That's really bringing the persona to life.
Uh-huh.
Now, how about step 5?
Okay.
Specify the format.
Mm-hmm.
What would be a helpful format for a campaign brief?
A structured format will make the AI's output clear and actionable.
Mm,
You could say,
okay.
please provide the campaign brief in a bullet point format,
Mm-hmm.
including sections for target audience campaign goals,
Okay.
key messages, visual style, and potential social media platforms.
That sounds incredibly helpful.
It is.
And finally, step 6, choose the tone.
Yes.
What kind of tone would be most effective for this campaign brief?
Since your brand is all about warmth, authenticity, and personal connection, you'll want the AI to mirror that.
Right.
You could say,
Okay.
the tone of the campaign brief should be inspiring, engaging, and sophisticated,
Mm-hmm.
reflecting the high quality and craftsmanship of the jewelry.
Okay, so we've walked through all 6 steps.
We have.
And I have to say, I'm already feeling inspired. But now I'm really curious to see how this all comes together with that free AI tool you mentioned earlier.
That's where the magic happens.
Okay.
The tool takes all the information you provide through these 6 steps
Mm-hmm.
and generates a complete, ready-to-use AI prompt that's perfectly tailored to your needs.
Okay.
It's like having a personal prompt engineer at your fingertips.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
I can't wait to try it out myself.
Okay.
But I imagine some of our listeners might still be wondering, okay,
Yeah.
this is great for marketing,
Uh,
but what about other areas of my business?
That's a great point.
Yeah,
And the beauty of this formula is that it's incredibly versatile.
really.
It can be applied to a wide range of business tasks,
Like what?
from writing emails and proposals
Okay.
to creating presentations and generating ideas for new products or services.
Wow, the possibilities seem endless.
They do.
But before we get carried away with all these amazing applications,
Yeah?
I'm curious to hear more about this free AI tool.
Okay.
What's it like to actually use?
Imagine a simple intuitive interface
Mm-hmm.
where you're guided through each step of the formula.
Okay.
You simply input your responses for each step,
Uh-huh.
and the tool takes care of the rest,
Okay.
generating a perfectly crafted prompt that you can then plug into your chosen AI platform.
Okay, so it's essentially taking the guesswork out of prompt engineering
It is.
and making this powerful technology accessible to everyone.
Exactly. And the best part is,
Mm-hmm.
it allows you to really unleash your creativity
Okay.
and explore the full potential of AI
Yeah.
without getting bogged down in the technical details.
I am so ready to try this out.
I bet you are.
Let's walk through how to use this tool after a quick break.
Sounds good.
All right, we're back, and I am like bursting with excitement.
I can tell.
I feel like we've uncovered a secret weapon for business success.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
More like a superpower you can use
Oh.
to amplify your own abilities.
You're right.
Yeah.
It's not about replacing our skills, but making them even stronger.
Exactly.
I'm ready to dive into this free AI tool you keep mentioning.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Imagine a simple web page.
Okay.
You'll see a clear breakdown of the 6-step formula we've
Mm.
been discussing.
So it's like a digital version of
Yeah.
our conversation,
Yeah,
guiding me step by step.
exactly. Each step has a text box
Okay.
where you type in your specific details.
I see.
For example, remember how we define the task as generate a creative brief for a social media campaign?
Yeah.
You'd simply type that into the first box.
Okay. That's super straightforward.
Yeah,
And then I'd move on to providing context about my business,
that's right.
just like we discussed earlier.
The tool provides helpful prompts and examples along the way, so you never feel lost
Okay.
or unsure of what to write.
I love that it's like having a supportive coach cheering me on through the entire process.
And as you go through each step, the tool starts to build a complete picture
Yeah.
of your needs and goals.
Mm.
It's like watching a puzzle come together piece by piece.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
So once I've filled in all 6 steps, what happens next?
With a click of a button,
Easy.
the tool takes all that information and generates a perfectly crafted AI prompt one that incorporates your unique task, context examples, persona format, and tone preferences.
So it's basically doing the hard work of translating my ideas into language that the AI can understand?
Precisely, you can then copy that prompt and paste it into your chosen AI platform,
Okay.
whether it's a chatbot, a text generator, or any other AI tool you're using.
This is seriously a game changer. It takes away all the guesswork and intimidation
Yes.
of figuring out how to talk to AI effectively. But I'm also realizing that this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
This formula is like a key that unlocks endless possibilities.
That's exactly it.
Yeah.
Once you grasp the power of this formula,
Yeah.
you can apply it to almost any aspect of your work.
Hmm.
Imagine using AI to draft persuasive sales emails,
Okay.
create engaging presentations, or even come up with innovative product ideas.
My mind is racing with possibilities.
I bet.
But before we wrap up, I think it's important to acknowledge
Hmm.
that while AI is an incredible tool,
Yeah.
it's not a magic bullet.
You're absolutely right. AI can amplify our abilities,
Right.
but it's still up to us to use it wisely, ethically, and with a critical eye.
Okay.
Remember, AI is a reflection of the data it's trained on,
Yeah.
so it's essential to be aware of potential biases and limitations.
That's a crucial point. We need to be mindful and responsible users of this technology, ensuring that it benefits us and society as a whole.
I completely agree. It's a powerful tool that has the potential to shape our world for the better. Yeah. But it's up to us to guide it in the right direction.
Well, folks, that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the world of AI for business. I hope you're feeling as empowered and inspired as I am.
We've uncovered a powerful formula, explored a free tool that makes it accessible to everyone, and most importantly, we've shifted our perspective from fear to possibility.
Remember, AI is not a threat, but an opportunity. It's a chance to unleash your creativity, boost your productivity, and unlock a whole new level of success in your work.
So go forth, experiment, and embrace the power of AI. Who knows what amazing things you'll achieve with this newfound superpower in your toolkit.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive into the world of fascinating ideas.